Right, rough and ready tutorial for Raining in My Heart. Chords. G, B7, which you then just drop down a string for the next chord, which is an E minor, then to a G7, which is backwards G, up to C, there's a little run, down to the D, so that's, which is third, second, first, off, to the D, take the middle finger off, D7. Then obviously that runs around a couple of times for the verse. The sun is out, the sky is blue, there's not a cloud to spoil the view, but it's raining, raining in my heart. So you G, and then there's the turnaround, which is the A minor, D, and then back to the G. So that would go, sun is out, sky is blue, there's not a cloud to spoil the view, but it's raining, raining in my heart. The weatherman says clear today, it doesn't know you've gone away, and it's raining, raining in my heart. And then just before you go to the bridge chorusy type part, just to fill that gap, I usually take the first finger off a few times and the second finger off a few times to give it, just to fill. Then the mid-eighth, bridgey chorusy type thing, then the bridge, then the chorus, or second part. D minor, oh, misery, to a G, oh fucking hell, sorry. Then the next part is D minor, to a G, to a C, and then it's first finger on third string, first fret, first finger on first string, first fret, and you slide between first and second fret, like that, and then you jump to an E minor, then an A7, D, D7. So that goes, oh misery, misery, what's gonna become of me? I tell my blues, back to the start again. And the only other different part is the instrumental middle part, but the chords stay the same. So, or you can go to a B instead of a B7, which is basically just extending from the open first string, but barring. So that will give you, starting on the G as per usual. Then the B or B7 works just as well, which you were using in the previous verses. So down to the E minor, G7, 'cause it's raining, up to the C, down to the D, raining in my heart, back to the G, back to the B. Well, we'll do one round with the B, one round with the B7. So cause it's raining, raining in my heart. And it's raining. raining in my heart, the weather, etc. So that's the whole lot. Cheers.